So today, with an open heart and with lots of joyous energy, I, Sandy, welcome you to my channel, that is Art AF. So July, the watercolor month is over now, and I guess I don't have that enormous amount of watercolors till now, watercolor videos till now. I believe that there should not be any barrier for a painting to be done with your heart. I mean, not with heart, with the hand, by your heart. Since Friendship Day is coming soon, and another Friendship Day, that is International Friendship Day, has just gone on the very yesterday or the day before yesterday. But for us Indians, we believe that Friendship Day comes in the first Sunday of August, and it will remain the same till eternity. So this video is dedicated to all my friends who love reading novels, maintaining a diary, and a kind of bibliophile altogether. Made something special for you guys. Do watch the video and let me know how was it. And yeah, happy Friendship Day to all my friends, and all good luck and good health.
Taking all such tools required for watercoloring, I start with my today's topic, which is sunset. It is said that when sun and moon fight for their existence, evening arrives and the moods get changed with the sky painted not less than a masterpiece. This is an A4 sheet paper, and I'm doing a bookmark prototype with a larger paper. Don't think silly of me that what is to be done with this giant bookmark. I'm just doing for the showcase, of course, and anyways, bookmarks are tiny and cozy. I love them. Setting the background with the colors and brushes. So yeah, let's start. As always, I've painted the whole paper with water. With some pink clouds and a well-defined water body this time. Some yellow to the sky, and of course the reflection of the water as well. Before heading into this painting, I would like to call out the name of a great artist from whom I got this inspiration for this particular technique. She is Bincy, and she runs an Instagram account by the name of The Art Beat by B. Follow her. I have mentioned her link in my description box. Now heading to our mountains. For mountains, I have chosen the shade of pink as well to create more effects and more drama. See some violet and blue highlights, and it's almost done. the water, spreading out thin and fine strokes of pink color, and we are done. Remember to give the shadows, else your painting is anyways a simpler one again, and the top of it will look more flat and more simple. So shadows is a must. And this way along, I got a simple watercolor landscape, a soothing sunset, which I love it. Now what we're gonna do is, we'll divide it into 6 equal sections. I won't give you with the measurements because I know that you know how to get that. And in each blocks, write letters S, U, N, S, E and T, that is sunset. Write these in wide block letters in such a manner that the inside space is much more than the outside space of the letters. Take a sketch pen, outline it well, and yes, leave the areas where mountains are present. It gives you a lovely 3D effect. Double grip it with a bold marker and see how lovely it looks. You can anyways pause over here and use it with all your heart, but I prefer to color it more. And let's counter what I got.
Hope you liked this video, this new technique, and so much of fun and a nice looking bookmark for all the novels and all the stuffs you read. Coming with its sequel part soon, and till then stay tuned. And yeah, you are watching Art AF.